Before you create or write your ebook, first of all, you need to identify what you want to write about. Are you going to write about money? Are you going to write about sales? Are you going to write about time? What are you going to write about? So you first of all identify what you want to write about. Then you can get a notepad or any rough book, and then you jot what you want to write about. So I have my rough work. I'm going to write about copywriting. What is copywriting? Advantages of copywriting, types of copywriting, systems that will make one a better copywriter, and then levels of copywriting. So I'm going to write on these topics. So first of all, I'm going to launch my ChatGPT, and then I'll start writing my ebook without writing. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT what is copywriting. Then I'm waiting for the answers. We are waiting for answers. So ChatGPT is giving me answers on what copywriting is all about. So when I get the answer, I'm going to copy. As I told you, we are going to write without writing. So I'm going to copy this. What is copywriting? So I can copy this. So ChatGPT is saying copywriting is the process of writing persuasive and compelling text, known as copy, with the goal of promoting a product, service, etc., etc. So after you have gotten this, then you open another tab, then you search for article rewriter 2. Article rewriter 2. So we have article rewriter 2. So I click on it. So here I'm going to rewrite what ChatGPT has given me. You get, ChatGPT has given me the definition of copywriting. I'm going to rewrite it so that it will now belong to me. What I'm going to write will now belong to me, but not ChatGPT. So this is what ChatGPT has given me. So I'll edit this way. So when you paste it, then you select basic rewriting. You click on basic rewrite. So the article rewriter tool is going to rewrite what ChatGPT has given to me. So this is the rewrite. ChatGPT gave me copywriting is the process of writing persuasive and compelling text, whilst the rewriter tool is giving me the act of writing text that is persuasive and compelling, or copy, with the intention of promoting a product, service, or concept, and is known as copywriting. So we have the rewriter here. So what you are going to do is to copy what you have rewritten. You copy what you have rewritten. So I copy. After I have copied, I'm now going to check whether what I'm going to use is plagiarized. Yes, so I open a new tab. And then I search for duplicate checker. So we have it here, duplichecker.com. So I'm going to see whether the work or the text I'm going to use for my ebook, is it plagiarized or is not plagiarized. So please enter your text and then press check plagiarism. So I'm going to, what I copied, the rewrite I copy it, I'm going to paste it here, and then I check whether it's plagiarized or it's not plagiarized. So you select on I'm not a robot, then you check plagiarism. So we are just going to make sure that what you are going to use for your ebook is not plagiarized. Scanning to see whether our work is plagiarized or not. So we are waiting 80%. Now we have 100%. So we have 0 plagiarism. So you can see, meaning the work I copied from the rewritertool.com and I'm going to use it for my ebook is not plagiarized. So I can go ahead to use what I copied. In case you copied and then you paste on the duplicate checker and then the plagiarism is 50% and above, meaning it's plagiarized. The work you are going to use maybe is for somebody, you see, but what I checked is 0 plagiarism, so I can use it for my ebook. So now I'm now going to copy my work. So I'll copy my work and then I go to